Hi, I'm going to make a very quick and easy pudding in the microwave. It's quick and simple, and I'm starting with half a pint of custard. And in this jug I've blended some custard powder with sugar and milk. There is something about a microwave. You never get lumpy custard. So I'm putting it in for about 30 seconds on high power, and I will give it a stir halfway through. I'm using a super plastic whisk that you can get from Lakeland to stir. You don't have to lift the jug out, you just give it a stir in the microwave like this. Keep going, and I'm going to do a quick syrup sponge pudding so that you have a pudding and custard in about 2 to 3 minutes. I've taken this out just to give it a stir. It's nearly ready, so another 10 seconds should do it. You can also make white sauces in the microwave like the custard. They never come up lumpy. It's absolutely marvellous. So here we are. Now I'm just putting in a commercial little steam pudding. This is a syrup one, and that goes in for a minute. And then I will pour this lovely custard over. Now you could add to it some more vanilla essence, or rum, or brandy, but it is the smoothest custard I could ever make. I bought a steamed syrup pudding from the chill food counter, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. On full power, I pierced the cling film and placed it on the edge of the carousel, which is the hottest part. The middle part is the coolest area. Also, eating items, if you can lift them up into the middle of the microwave, you get far better results, because the microwaves can get under the dish and heat up the food evenly. Now I've got the custard all ready to serve, and as soon as the syrup sponge is ready, we'll pour it over. It couldn't be easier. No effort, quick, clean, very cheap on running costs, very green, and so easy. So here we are. Just leave it to stand for a minute or two, because the microwaves are still causing the food to keep warm. Take off the top. Just turn it over. Dearie me. And pour the custard over. So that is a quick, instant pudding in 2 to 3 minutes. Steamed syrup pudding and homemade custard.